Hello and again, welcome back to BladeMasterHQ. So I have waited on this package for approximately, I don't know, probably 2 months when I ordered it. It was an eBay deal that I got, but sometimes you just can't resist. So now that I have it, I'm so excited to share it with you all. So let's get this torn open. Now that is packaged really good. Sorry about that, don't mean to get out of focus. Okay, now I've not opened this yet. I have no idea if I got what I was supposed to get, so we're about to find out. It's completely sealed in black. Well, let's just jump to the important part here. I've never seen anything packaged so well. Okay, let's get a knife. Case XX. Yeah, there it is. I know this doesn't really matter to anybody else, but when you want something, you want something. I loved the green wizard rod so much. I saw it on eBay. The guy let me make an offer on it. I took it. Only downside was it came from Japan and it took almost 2 months. Okay, now let's check the other pieces out. Now the green version came with 160 Rush, I believe. So let's get you a good shot of that real quick. Awesome. I don't remember. You get stuff and then you forget. Okay, yeah, 160. I've not used a 160 yet at all. I don't think most of the Hasbro stuff is kind of missing a lot of the different sized bits and ratchets, and also all the cool colors. Okay. I don't know what type of plastic this is, but that is some strong shit. Okay. Let's get this together. I'm so excited for this. And this is supposed to be used like new. I haven't even got to inspect it yet or nothing. I mean, you're seeing it the first time I am. I love the green rush bit. That looks really cool. And I don't know how like 160 is supposed to work. I don't know if it's more of like an attack or if it's more of a stamina deal, but it looks cool. It looks like it wouldn't be too stable though. Anyways, let's see how it does. All right, so here's another shot at the green wizard rod. And I'm gonna be using the Saber Samurai launcher just to kind of match the green aesthetic. Looks sick. So right out the gate, it's definitely weird to see Wizard Rod kind of perform like that. I'm used to it having a lot more stamina instead of being more attacky with a rush bit. I'm assuming that's what the 160 is for, but I'll look into that. Very, very weird. Let's just try it against another Wizard Rod. So for this, I'll just use a double launcher. I did not even think it would last that long. Let's try it again. I guess Rush will get it sort of good stamina because of being flat. All right, let's run that one more time. Also, look at that cool glow effect it's getting. I don't know if you can even see that. That's pretty sick from the lighting. Definitely has a little bit more aggression. Oh, look at that, extreme finish. That's awesome. Yeah, totally weird seeing that with Rush. All right, that is an over finish for Wizard Rod. That is so cool. I didn't expect Rod to beat Rod, but I don't know. It makes you rethink how you're gonna play these. But thank you so much for watching. Again, that's Wizard Rod. This is the green edition. Ordered this probably 2 months ago, so I appreciate the patience on even getting a video out. But thanks for watching BladeMasterHQ, and I'll see you all next time.